Hello, Owls. My name is Sam Little and I'm your school counselor. I know times are kind of weird and I want you to remember that I'm here to support you with whatever you need. The post-secondary counselors have been working really hard on going digital and connecting you with all things college and career. Here are a few things to look forward to this month. This month's theme is financial aid. Be sure to look out for future Friday emails where we will review the DREAM Act, FAFSA, scholarships, and debunking common myths about aid. Seniors, make sure you use my appointment link to book your one-on-one appointment to secure your funds for next school year. College applications are also open now. The CSU and UC application window is open now until December 4th to apply for fall 2021. Spring 2021 community college applications are also open for those graduating this semester. Make sure to check in with me to solidify your next steps. Don't forget, community college is now free for the first 2 years if you qualify for the DREAM Act or FAFSA. That's all you have to do is apply. The next grad deadline is November 17th, so be sure to wrap up your credits and your 10 hours of community service by then. It's time to get college ready for all OFY students. UC Merced is coming to OFY on October 23rd at 10 a.m. This will be a virtual event that you can register for. You'll learn all about the UC application, insight questions, UC Merced's campus, and college planning. If you attend, we will ship you some OFY swag. So we'll see you there. Students, have you heard of advanced education? Students that are in the 10th grade or 16 years old with a 2.7 or higher GPA and a teacher nomination can take community college courses for high school and college credit. Oftentimes, students will take 2 semesters of a foreign language at the community college to fulfill their A through G 2-year requirement. Tuition is free for all students. Eligible Owls, make sure your voice is heard and vote in the 2020 election. In California, you can register and vote in the same day, so it's not too late. In order to vote in California, you must be 18 years old by election day, be a U.S. citizen, and a California resident. November 3rd is just around the corner. Make sure to look for us on Instagram, where we will try to keep you updated with the latest and greatest happening at OFY San Juan. I look forward to seeing you at events and have a great rest of your month.